Welcome to another video.
This device was given to me by my little brother. He was getting rid of his car, and this thing had been, just sitting around in the trunk of his car. Kind of looks like a telephone with the circular numbers, sort of, an old-fashioned rotary telephone, but it's not a telephone. It's some sort of tape machine, I think, and it says down here, Gummed Tape Dispensing Machine. This whole top piece, control panel, flips down and back up, but I think this is designed probably for a factory environment, and you'd have some tape rolls across the back here, and then it we would shoot out the amount of tape. I'm trying to seal a box, and it's a 36-inch box, so I punched that button. But just thought we'd do a quick video on it before I get rid of this thing. I keep tripping over it in the garage, not sure it's worth anything. So about to plug it up for the first time and see what happens. They shoot sparks, who knows? Let's see, here goes. All right, so it's plugged in. Let's see what happens. There's a power switch on the front. Whoa, what was that? Something happened. All right, let's press a button. Whoa. I don't know, that means the motor's jammed. That's not good. Let's take it apart and see what's on the inside of it and see if it's doing what we think it's supposed to be doing. We got a motor with a run capacitor, so I bet you maybe the capacitor's fried or the motor's locked up. Okay, yeah. Well, there's wires holding it in. Maybe I need to take the top off. Okay, so I took this piece off the front and it just sort of pulled off, but basically this was like a tank type thing that was around the left side of it. And then this, I guess, maybe that's a heat symbol, so maybe this was where hot water went or something, I don't know. And then I took the plate off here, which sort of reveals the cutter. So this knife must be the thing that cuts the tape at the right time. I have not Googled any of this stuff yet, so I will try to put up some images if I find more information about this or some pictures. But anyway, let's keep going, see if we can get to the motor. Rust. Here we go. Look at that. So there's no belt in this. It's got a gear-driven motor. Okay, so we're gonna take a look now that we've exposed the gears and such. So the motor's working. Something is not engaging this. And of course, duh, I know why it's not engaging, because I unscrewed the motor. So wonder if I can put those screws back in. Okay, so now we've got the motor plate reattached and it will turn that gear. Let's plug it back in, see if it does turn the gear, see what happens. All right, let's power up. All right, here goes nothing. Let's see if it'll turn. Okay, it did turn it a little. Yeah, something's locked up in the machine. When you punch this, that top piece, the bottom part comes up. So that's probably what controls the length of the tape, is when this pops up, it's gonna pull that thing down. This is interesting. Not sure what to do with this thing. All right, so I stuck a sheet of paper in there. The paper cutter definitely works. If I plug this in, yeah, that chopped the paper off. It's not rolling it through. All right, so you saw the knife cut the tape and the motor spin. I think it's just either gummed up or something. This is getting very hot right now. That's the heating element that heats the water tank. So let me just press one of these buttons. I think at this point the motor really should be turning, and it's not, but maybe it gets a little boost when I plug it in, but you'll see what happens. Yeah, so it basically shoots tape through and chops it. I think that's the entire purpose of this machine. Not sure what to do with this other than maybe set it out by the street. If anybody has any ideas or have ever used one of these or thinks there's any valuable parts that could be extracted, let me know in the comments. But that's about it, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time for another awesome video.
Bye.